Hello everyone, welcome to my UK Twin Services. I'm come to bake cake without using oven or microwave. Let's start. In a clean large bowl, put your butter inside or margarine inside. Add your sugar to it. And use wooden spoon to cream it. If you have Mr. Margarine, the hand one or the standard one, you can use that one to cream it. Yeah, but this I want to help someone don't have Margarine, all those things. He can use his hand to make. Continue creaming it. Continue, because you need more power to do this. Continue cream until light and fluffy. It's supposed to look like this. This is light and fluffy. Put it aside. Take 2 bowls, break the egg, separate the white from the yolk. Follow my Facebook page. And beat the egg white until fluffy. But if you have hand mixture, you can use it. If you have standard one, you can also use to beat your egg. If you don't have, use manpower. You see? Need manpower to beat this egg white. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Touch the notification bell there. Put it aside. Grease the cake tin with butter or margarine with baking paper lining. Put it aside. Sieve the flour and baking powder. Add a pinch of salt. Add teaspoon of nutmeg. If you have the powder one, you can use. And sieve it like this. You see, it's good to sieve. Mix it and put it aside. Take the creamy butter, add the egg yolks, add the vanilla essence, and grate the orange skin and add it to it. Wash it before you grate it. Please wash it before you grate it. You need small, not too much. And you squeeze the juice and you add 2 tablespoons of juice. The orange juice is my flavor, I'm adding it. So if you have any flavor, you can add it and you mix it. Yeah, that's how you're supposed to mix it. You mix it nicely. Yeah. Add the milk. Add the beat white egg to it and mix it well. Add the flour gently. Not too much, small, make it small. Yeah, and mix it well. This is how the butter is supposed to look. Not hard, not soft. Pour the butter into prepared cake tin. Heat the saucepan or the pot you want to use it on fire and put your cake inside. Cover it. Bake for 35 or 40 minutes or until golden brown. Use toothpick and check inside if it's well baked. Take it from the pot and let it be cool. Thanks for watching.